Eh, was? Yang hane kita tu? Yang hane. Yang hane. Không hao lại nữa là. Thì nhé, sau đó mình position mình tại sao what khác position mà như thế.
Cái lấy cái tổng thọ cả, thì nên ở din kasha muitun din neng nai, tam himale chini Regina de Burma, bo Mandai constituency ni ngai nai bo kharokcha bronze medal man phaijak moi thai yo jiti oi moi thai butoi box bulai ma seng khana ang bono puila malai puro thana ni sekang malai kha malai puro ang bono mokol pengeng ga tong tang ni ji nung da bulai pai no ni ang bono hin no horota kai to phane ni sep rok tong na bulai thani gang ka bo phan bai ba nung jiti phai de hin sajak buku buino bota bu jiti phai belai ke tong thoka tam himale abo chini tirprani gorbo bo kharoksa buri ingui nai abo jiti pheman bage belai ki tong thogo jeng bono lam sogo tai yasak sogo tai bono tebo khabu chari nani musungo ama haikeno bo tebo jiti thong tebo kaham thung tam himale bo kharoksa buri ingui nai abo world champion phaimani bage bono belai ki hambai mario ishor bono tebo ama haikai kurung tebo phan boxing ton bini agrung ni bisingo teb kurung khai bo bujanan bagi teb phani thong jeng belai khai tong thogo aw chini tirprawo om haikai no kurung om haikai na thungai nai wal medal gold medal man phaima
college. We are very much happy to have Regina de Burma as a student. She is a student of political science honors and she has physical education as past subject. She is very obedient and she is very regular in the college. So we are happy for her and we expect some more medals. And on behalf of MEB College, we give a big congratulations to her and it's a hearty welcome once again. Come back to our state and we expect and we have our expectation in coming days that she will achieve many more medals and bring the pride for the nation and for the state and for the college as well. Thank you so much.
English pakai ini. আপনি কবে গেছেন এবং কতদিন পার্টিসিপেট করেছিলেন?
আমরা অ্যাকচুয়ালি এটা ওয়ার্ল্ড চ্যাম্পিয়নশিপ হয়েছিল থাইল্যান্ডে মে 3 তারিখ থেকে 14 তারিখ পর্যন্ত। তো ইন্ডিয়া থেকে 18 athletes আর 4 অফিসিয়ালস গেছিল। তো উই ওন 4 medals, all are bronze medal. World level competition is very tough. We're lucky that our girl from Tripura, Regina de Burma, also won a medal. This for information and this for happiness that she is selected for the World Combat Games, which will be in Saudi Arab, and also for the Indoor Asian and Martial Arts Games, which will be again in Thailand. For these two games, she is selected. But from all the locals that who have helped her at this moment, we will again urge them to help her again so that she can represent those two games and bring laurels and glory for our state and country as well. Also request on behalf of all the media to come up and to the government that to come and help us more and more so that we can uplift this game in our state. This game have got huge potential in our state. I think in near future, if we get more support from the government level, we can bring up more athletes. There are plenty more athletes who can bring laurels for our country in this game. Thank you.